I've been exploring the Stash Investing mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased take on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Stash Investing app. First, let's talk about what Stash actually offers. Stash is an investing app built to help everyday users get into stocks, ETFs, and even retirement accounts without needing a finance background. It focuses heavily on guided, long-term investing, using expert-built portfolios and automation so you can set things up once and then mostly let it run. You also get tools like AutoStash to schedule recurring deposits and a stock-backed debit card that turns everyday spending into small stock rewards, which makes investing feel more integrated into your normal money habits. Now, in terms of interface, the app is designed to be straightforward and beginner-friendly with clear navigation and simple language around portfolios and goals. There's also an in-app money coach feature that gives quick, personalized tips and explanations, which can be reassuring if you're new or unsure what to do next. Overall, it aims to keep the experience focused on a few core actions: funding your account, choosing a portfolio, and tracking your progress over time. However, there are some downsides you should know about. Stash runs on a subscription model starting at a fixed monthly fee, which can feel expensive if you're only investing small amounts. There are also various ancillary fees and the usual investment risks, so this is not a magic get-rich solution. And while automation is convenient, it may feel a bit limiting if you want deep control or advanced trading tools. So, to wrap up, Stash is a polished, beginner-friendly investing app that combines guidance, automation, and everyday banking-style features to help you build wealth gradually. But the subscription cost and limited advanced functionality mean it's best suited for people who value simplicity and coaching over ultra-low costs or active trading control. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.